Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a graph question, specifically testing whether or not you understand that friend of yours, the Cartesian plane. Now they've said to us, if t is a point on the line defined by y equals x, the coordinates of t are which of these options? So just a bit of background about the line y equals x. If we look at a Cartesian plane, and I'm just going to mark a few points on it, and they're very rough points. Okay, so we've got 1 there, we've got 2 there, we've got 3 there, we've got -1, -2, -3, and then we've got -1, -2, -3, and over here we've got 1, 2, and 3. And remember, we've got some arrows on the end of our axes. We know that this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Now the line y equals x, we know that y needs to equal x at every single point. What do I mean by that? So if we start at the origin, we know that one of the points is going to be 0, because at the point 0, x is 0 and y is 0. If we move to x equals 1, well, we know that y then has to be 1 as well. So it's going to be that point over there. If we move to 2, we know that y needs to be 2, so we're going to move to that point over there. If we move to 3, we know y needs to be 3, and we're going to move to that point over there. Likewise, if we go to x equals -1, we know y needs to equal -1, and -2, and -3. So we can see our line is going to look something like that. Okay, so that's going to be the line x equals y, or y equals x. Let me write it properly, y equals x. So that gives you an idea of what the line y equals x looks like, specifically that the x and the y need to equal each other at every single point along the line. Now, if we go through the options they've given us, we know that a cannot be true because x doesn't equal y. B can't be true because 5 doesn't equal 0. We know that c can't be true because -5 doesn't equal 5. And that leaves us with D, where we can clearly see that -5 equals -5, which is definitely going to feature on this line if we keep going down. Therefore, our answer to this question is D, and that will get you the mark you are searching for. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to read all about them in the description below. Also, check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.